Welcome to TMI Trucking Equipment in Chesapeake, Virginia. We have the 55-ton Fontaine workhorse lowboy in stock. This is a 26-foot well with a front storage box and front ramps is standard on this trailer. The gooseneck has a 7 ride height position to give you multiple adjustabilities. You have 2 kingpin settings, one at 89 inches, one at 108 inches, again, so you can adjust it as you need for your load. You have a 18-inch deck height to give you extra clearance for the taller equipment, along with ramps onto the upper trunnions if you need to load a bigger piece of equipment. This comes with a 4th axle already on it. The 3rd axle is an airlift assembly. We do order these trailers with the battery backup system for the strobe lights already installed, along with airway scales. As you can see, these will Bluetooth to your phone so that your drivers can see their payload and what their axle weights are. Give us a call for any more questions.